In this exercise, I'm going to be showing you how to do a 3-way ankle stability drill on a Bosu ball. So this would be the final stage of ankle rehab. If someone could do this, they would then be progressing onto movement-based rehab exercises where they'd be working their single leg stability in hops and jumps and things like that. So what I want you to do is I want you to have a Bosu ball and try and get it quite close to something that you can hold on to for balance, whether that's a wall, a fixed resistance object that isn't going to move anywhere. And I want you to bring it fairly close to that object, but not too close, because you're going to need to bring your leg into these positions. So with one leg, the leg that I'm working, I'm going to place the middle of the foot in the middle of the Bosu ball. From here, I'm then going to use that fixed resistance object, or in my case a wall, to pop myself into the right position, the position I want to be in. So from here, once I'm set and happy, I'm then going to bring myself into one leg being away. And then from here, I want to come forwards, to the side, and back for my desired amount of sets and repetitions. Once you've done that on one side, then work the other side. And each time you do forwards, side, and back, that would be 1 repetition. So repeat that sequence for your desired amount, doing it on both sides, and that is how to work your single leg stability with the hardest variation without physical movement. And then once you've done this, progress onto the hop and jump drills. Thank you very much for watching. That's how to work your single leg ankle stability on a Bosu ball.